Hello, my brothers and sisters. Welcome to my channel. So I went to Puerto Rico with my family. Took them. We got on the airplane. It was so beautiful. The view was so beautiful. And then we landed. So after we landed, it was time for us to check in our hotel. So we had an amazing Uber driver. He was giving us recommendation place where we should visit while we was out here for a whole week. So this is our room, little cute little room. It's cute, the bathroom, and this hotel right here. We got the double bed, TV, just a standard regular hotel room. The best part about it is this view right here. Oh, yeah, when I tell you this view is everything. So this is the view. Oh, I love this view. It is so gorgeous. Welcome to Puerto Rico. Welcome to Puerto Rico. Yes, 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 yes. La 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 la
You make your heart, Emily?
So after a long day from the beach, we was hungry, so we went to a local restaurant that was by our hotel. The food was great. The atmosphere was amazing. So we just ordered the food to go and just eat in the hotel, and we just had a good night. After we ate dinner, we was full, and so I went to go sit in the balcony to see the beautiful view, the beautiful water, and the city light of San Juan. It was just so gorgeous. I was just so happy that God gave me a really great room so I can really see and have a nice view. The next morning, we woke up and ate breakfast and went to the El Morro National Park. It was so hot, and so we left the El Morro, and then we went to walk in San Juan to try to find a restaurant where we could find some good food and something tasty.
Mira aquí.
Gracias.
Tengo este tamaño 4 y este 5. Si
The
tienen
building was
dinero.
so beautiful. There was like 2 different colors. It was like breathtaking. All you have to do is just walk and you will see all the beautiful churches, building, restaurant. So me and my kids, we walked a little bit and then we went to go find something to eat. lunch. It was a long day from the El Morro. The sun was hot. So we took an Uber to went back to our hotel. And as I was in the Uber, I was just seeing all this beautiful building, and I just had to take some pictures and video. San Juan is so beautiful. Old San Juan is beautiful. The whole Puerto Rico is beautiful. So I hope you get to visit it and see for yourself. So after a long hot day, the weather changed and it was really breezy and the sunset was coming out. It was a beautiful view. So I was taking a walk down by my hotel where I was at because I had a very nice view and I just wanted to just go with the flow. So this message is for anyone. It's time for you to go with the flow. Let God lead you to where you need to be.
Somebody jumping on your phone.
What's that? Fortnite. Doing that free emo you get?
Hi, Shuku. We at the beach. Oh, it looks so sad. Because we took a long time to get to the beach. Oh, at least we're here.
Having a good time in Puerto Rico. God is saying travel, 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 travel. Get to see the world. Don't be stuck in that same box that you're at. Travel the world so you can have a different perspective and you can enjoy life and not be stuck in the same spot. I'm here with my children. We're in Puerto Rico for a week. We're enjoying it. This is the second beach that I've been in. The first one was called Escarbone Beach. It was very beautiful. This one is called Isla Verde Beach. The water is so warm and pretty. Look at this. This is my view. And the sun is shining. Go ahead and travel. Travel. Mofongo. My choo-choo, she got the chicken tender. Josiah got fried chicken. Joshua got the fried pork. Pina colada. That looks so delicious. Pina colada.
Is that rice? What is that?
Coconut. After dinner, my kids wanted to go to the Distrito T-Mobile. I don't know if I'm saying it right. but it was a place where they have different type of entertainment. They had the kids arcade, and also where you can walk. Think wall climbing, no mountain climbing, but it had different activities for children. So I went there, and me and my kids had so much fun at the arcade. They played all the games that they wanted to play, and it was just a very family friendly environment. They had concert going on. They had different, movie theater there. They had just different things for everybody. And my children really had fun, and they enjoyed the arcade, and they played all the games that they wanted to play. And me, I was a satisfied mom because I got them to do activity where they will be happy and have fun. So if you go to Puerto Rico, you have your children, make sure they do activity that they want to do, not activity that you're forcing them to do. So this trip was really a blessing, really life changing. I ordered some pinchos. It was really good. We took an Uber ride. It was 53 minutes. It was a real long ride. And one thing about Puerto Rico, the Uber is like $5 to $10. You don't even have to rent a car unless you want to. But that Uber ride, because it was close to an hour, we paid almost $94 each way. But it was worth it because we wanted to do the ATV, the go-kart, like activity my kids wanted to do. So we went to Carabali rainforest. It was very beautiful.
We already know the winner.
We danced while we wait for our Uber driver to get us back to the hotel.
You know what's crazy?
We out here in Puerto Rico. Oh, just having fun. Another day, another night. You gotta come out here. It is so beautiful and the food is delicious. It was our last day in San Juan, so we enjoyed it. And we got something to eat, and we did some last minute activity. I recommend everyone to, go to Puerto Rico. You don't even need a passport. You really don't. It's a beautiful place. The people are friendly. You don't even need to rent a car. The Uber is like $5-10.